Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So it's that time again to go ahead and say goodbye to last season's centerpiece, which was, in my last video, this DIY St. Patrick's Day centerpiece. So of course I have to do a Spring Bee centerpiece to match my DIY Spring Bee wreath. So the first thing I do is I take this Ziploc bag that I had from a purchase from Amazon and I go ahead and put my St. Patrick's Day centerpiece arrangement into the bag and seal it. It's not very transparent, but I can always label it later. Now this box is actually a DIY Dollar Tree photo frame box, so it's see-through and clear. I will try my best to put the DIY photo frame box video in the description box below. So I got this super cute honeybee candle holder from the Dollar Tree last year during the season, and I just loved it but didn't know what I was going to do with it, so I went ahead and bought it because I knew I would want to use it for something at some point. So here it is. I'm actually going to use this as part of the centerpiece. So this is not like a typical floral arrangement that I normally do for my centerpieces. Plus, instead of using an actual candle, I'm going to be using this LED tea light candle from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3 for $1.75, and I'm just going to take one, turn it on after removing the plastic piece, and then setting it in the center. And if you have been following my channel and you've seen my latest video on the DIY Dollar Tree Spring Bee wreath, then you'll know that I used these sunflowers from Walmart, and they had 2 different sizes, these smaller ones and these larger ones, and I had 4 left of these larger ones, and I thought, oh, this is going to be perfect. I'm just going to put one in each corner. I'm not doing any floral arrangement. I don't have to hot glue anything. I'm just going to surround the bee with the sunflowers, which I thought would be perfect. And with the light on, I think it looks really cute, which unfortunately I don't think is being captured on camera very well. And that is it for this super easy DIY Dollar Tree Spring Bee wreath. Let me know in the comments below if you would do it differently. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.